gonna be doing a short tutorial video demonstrating how to unlock an iPhone 11. The process actually works for any type of iPhone, doesn't matter if it's an old one or the new one. So let's go ahead, open the box. Let's see if it's turned on. There you go. And we're gonna see what we have to do to get started. Okay, choose the language, United States. You're gonna have to connect to a wireless network. Okay. Okay, so this is where we're gonna start the process. So the first thing that you're gonna have to do is go to your dial screen, and you're gonna press the following: *#06#. Now you will see a 15-digit number display on your screen. I'm talking about this one, the one that says IMEI. So make sure you write down this number, as you will use it in your next step. Okay? Now we can put the phone down for a moment. And the following step takes place on a computer. Okay, so now that we are on our computer, you're gonna have to provide some information about your phone, exact model you're trying to unlock. Then the IMEI number, this is the 15-digit number that we found out on the previous step. Then you have to enter the email where you wish to receive the unlock code as well as the instructions. You should be receiving an email to the email that you provided, something like this. You'll find the instructions and as well as an unlock code if you have to enter one. In this case, you have two methods. We're gonna go on and follow the Wi-Fi method, which I believe it's easier for me. Okay, so following the instructions that you received on your email, we're gonna go back to our phone, and all we have to do is remove a SIM and insert any SIM that at the moment it's unsupported. And then go back to your phone, open it, and there you go, iPhone is activated. If your phone wasn't connected to a Wi-Fi network, then probably you should have connected to a Wi-Fi. Mine was already connected, so it didn't ask me to connect to a Wi-Fi network, but I just inserted the SIM, and as you see, the iPhone is now activated. Now it's carrier unlocked. You can use it with any GSM carrier worldwide.